Is there any significance for pouring water over the qabr after making dua or after reciting from the Quran?
There's nothing wrong with sprinkling water on the grave after burying a deceased person, because water holds the earth together in order not to let the sand scatter and move around. But with regards to the practice of some people, that every time they visit the Qabristan, they pour water on the grave. And some have this baseless understanding that cools down the deceased. There is no basis to this. It is not a sunnah practice to sprinkle water on the grave every time one visits the Qabristan. There are different ways in which one can benefit the deceased, which the Messenger ﷺ has outlined. Nabi ﷺ said, when a person dies, all his good deeds come to an end except three things: ongoing charity, beneficial knowledge which he has left behind, or a righteous child who will make dua for him. And this is in Nasai.